Frustrated with limited space on your Ubuntu system? Let's dive in. First, locate and open the Disks application. You can find it by searching in the Applications menu. This is Ubuntu's built-in utility for managing storage. Within the Disks application, carefully select the drive that contains the partitions you want to merge from the list on the left. You'll then be able to see a visual representation of the partitions on your drive. Identify the partition you want to merge. It's crucial to note that merging often involves merging into an existing partition. You can't simply combine them into nothing. Make absolutely certain you have a backup of any important data on the partition you will be modifying, because merging will delete data from it. Select the partition that will be absorbed into another by clicking the gear icon labeled Additional Partition Options from the options that appear. And this crucial step, select the option to delete the chosen partition. Confirm the action. But remember, this is a destructive operation, so be sure to have a backup first. Now, you'll see the space previously occupied by that partition is marked as free space or unallocated. It's now ready for incorporation into an existing partition. Select the partition you will merge that space into, using the same method of clicking the gear icon. This time, choose the Resize option. A window will appear, and in this window, you need to allocate the free space that was just made available. Drag the end of the partition bar to the right to claim all that free space to merge the partition into the existing space. Click Resize. Give the application a moment to merge the space and complete the operation. Once finished, you'll see the partition has been successfully extended and your Ubuntu system is now better organized and has maximized storage.